Hey there, I am Sarthak, and in this video, we will understand the basics of creating a robust base for your course selling website. I will talk about optimizing for load time, logo, about us, contact us, refund policy, landing page, home page, and lastly, social proof. Before we get into the details of website design, let us understand how one can optimize for speed or load time of a website. Load time is a crucial aspect for any website as it affects the user experience and bounce rate. According to the study, 53% of users leave the site if it took more than 3 seconds to load. One of the best and simplest way to reduce the load time of a website is to optimize it for the image size. To optimize for image size, ensure that you don't compromise on the image quality. Bad image quality will make your website look amateurish. You can use JPG instead of PNG and ensure that there are no broken links. Now let's begin with customizing the Teachmore website. The first and one of the most important element of any website is the logo. A logo is essential because it grabs the attention, makes a strong first impression, and is the foundation of your brand identity. Your logo will appear on the top left corner of the Teachmore website, doubling as a clickable button to bring you back to the home page. While designing the logo, you need to keep in mind that it shouldn't be too large or too small, and it should stand out. If the color of your logo is similar to the website theme, then it could get lost in the background. So make sure that the color of your logo is different from the website theme. For example, this logo is too big and this one is too. Both of them do not look good. Similarly, this logo has the same colors as the website theme, which makes it difficult to see, let alone create an impact. To add a logo on your Teachmore Academy, go to Settings, then click on Branding. Here you can upload the images of your logo. Just remember, for the desktop website, you need to upload an image of 400 into 120 pixel. For the mobile version of your site, you need to upload an image of 100 into 100 pixel. Once you upload the images, they will automatically appear on your website. Next, we will cover the About Us and Contact Us pages. These two pages are mandatory for payment gateway integration. Besides this, About Us is one of the most frequently visited pages of the website. It provides an opportunity for the visitors to get to know about you. On the About Us page, we advise you to go with a straightforward approach. Try to tell a story in a way that should inspire trust in the visitors. Similarly, Contact Us is another page that can ease users' journey to get to know about you and establish your authenticity. They can use it to ask specific questions, which in turn will help you understand the concerns of your target audience. To build the About Us and Contact Us page in Teachmore, you have to go to the General Settings in your settings. Then go to the Basic Information section. Here, in the short description and long description column, you can enter the content you want to show on your About Us page. Under the Basic Information section, there is Contact and Address. The information in the long description will appear on the About Us page. The information you add in the short description, contact, and address will appear on the footer of your site. Let's take a quick look at creating the refund policy. Teachmore creates a default policy for you at the time when you create your academy. But if you want to customize it, go to the policy section in General Settings. Here you can manage the policies of your academy to your liking. Okay, now we covered essential elements of a website, but these are not enough. How do you plan the success of your business? It entirely depends on how effectively your website drives the sales of your courses, and the opening better is your landing page. It gives the first impression of your website. It is the first page where the visitor lands after clicking on the link in an ad or email. It is the central component of your marketing funnel where the conversion takes place. Teachmore allows you with a variety of options to build a great landing page. Now, before we start building a landing page, let's understand some core elements of a good landing page. There are in total 5 key elements of a winning landing page: value proposition, visual elements, call to action, features and benefits, social proof. Your value proposition is the difference between you and your competitors, why should someone choose you over others? You should create an amazing headline with a value proposition. Break down your offering to its most basic level. It should set clear expectation for your students. Make it short, ideally 6 to 7 words. Now we will come to the second important element of a landing page, that is visual elements. To wow its users and getting them hooked, an image or a video. A picture is worth of 1,000 words. I know, it's an overused statement, but it's very true. An image can convey so much more information than you can with words. And at the same time, consumers find websites with images more trustworthy than websites without images. Similarly, consumers love videos. It increases the engagement quotient of your site. A video can make your visitors stay longer on your website. Not only that, according to the report, 84% people bought a product or service after watching the brand's video. The third one is the call to action button. Your conversion goal is the purpose of your landing page. Your CTA, that is call to action, is the tool to achieve that goal. Choose an engaging CTA for submission button. Instead of usual subscribe or submit, the CTA button might act as a better communicator. It shows that the user can get benefit from giving their information. To design the landing page in Teachmore, you need to go to the pages in your dashboard. There, you will find two default pages. One is the landing page and the other is the home page. Click on the landing page. You will see different sections of your page on the left side, and on the right side, you can preview the changes you are making. In Teachmore, the image with text and video with text sections provide you the option to add all three elements. You can add a headline along with an image or a video and a call to action button. It is a simple process. You just have to go to the image with text section, enter your headline and subheadline, upload an image, and in the end create a CTA button. And it's done. Make sure you use interesting images, videos, and precise descriptions while adding your features using grids on Teachmore. These will help highlight your offerings and what the customer stands to gain from them. The next element is social proof. When we buy something online, don't we scroll through thousands of product reviews? Yes, that's social proof, and it's a very strong tool of persuasion. Simply put, social proof is a tool that can help you to show that other people have bought, eaten, read, or participated in what you are offering. The main idea is that people are more likely to convert when they see that other people have bought your courses. In Teachmore, you can add testimonials to show what people think of your courses. How did they benefit from your courses? To add testimonials, you need to go to the testimonials section. Here you can add as many testimonials as you want. You just have to enter the name, content, and lastly upload an image. Once you are done with your landing page, similarly, you can design your home page as well. Designing a home page is not much different than building a landing page on Teachmore. Now, your website is almost ready. One more thing you can add to your site is your social media links. To add your social media links, you need to go to General Settings. Then under the address section, there is Social. Here you can enter the links to your social media networks. Once you add these links, they will appear on your website. Alright, I hope this video was useful for you and you have noted all the aspects of a great website design. Make sure you use them while you design your Teachmore site. Happy teaching!